Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, North Laurel local and long-distance movers near me. 3 Movers services are the go-to option for moving homes within North Laurel. From having a team of highly knowledgeable professionals to advanced facilities, 3 Movers in North Laurel is certainly the best. At 3 Movers, we pride ourselves on our knowledge of North Laurel's neighborhood, giving us easy navigation around the area. Our familiarity with the area allows us to plan the most efficient routes for your move, saving you time. When you choose our local moving services, you can expect personalized attention and a high professionalism. We treat your belongings as our own, handling them with utmost care and ensuring they arrive at your new home in pristine condition. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our North Laurel moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.